In today's video, we are going to cover how to correct your name in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account, enter your account credentials, and wait for the main dashboard to load. If you have more than one return in progress, make sure you open the correct one before you continue. This matters because the name update needs to be made inside the specific tax return you are working on. Once you are inside your account, open your tax return. This will bring you back into the interview flow and the main areas of your return. From there, look for the personal info section. Depending on the version you are using, this may appear in the main navigation or within the return summary area, but the section name will still be personal info. After you open personal info, find your profile. This is the part of the return where your personal details are listed, including your name. Select your profile, then click Edit next to your name. That will open the name field so you can make the correction directly. Enter your correct first name, your middle initial if it applies to you, and your last name exactly as they appear on your Social Security card. This is the detail to pay close attention to. The spelling, spacing, and order should match your Social Security record. If your return uses a nickname, an abbreviated first name, or a missing middle initial that should be included, this is where you replace it with the correct information. After you have entered the corrected name, take a moment to review the fields before moving forward. Check that the first name is in the first name field, the middle initial is in the middle initial field if needed, and the last name is in the last name field. When everything looks correct, click Continue. But TurboTax will move you back into the rest of the return interview. From here, complete the remaining interview as prompted. Move through any unfinished sections in the same way you normally would. If the return takes a moment to load the next page, wait for it to finish and then continue through the prompts. When you reach the end of the remaining interview, save your return. Saving confirms that the name correction stays attached to the tax file you are working on. If you are making this update before filing, reviewing the rest of your return after the change can help make sure your personal information appears consistently throughout the file. That is the full process for correcting your name in TurboTax. Your corrected name is now updated in the personal info section of your TurboTax return.